Why are you running, dude? 23-1. Come on. Are you scared?
Yeah.
Hey, look, running's not gonna help. All right? One, I run a lot. Okay? On the side trail, I'm here with him. Hold on. Look, we're gonna walk back, okay? Okay? Now, the thing of it is, you're still not in trouble, but obviously I can't trust you not to run anywhere. All right? So, come on. Come on. I'm gonna put you in handcuffs for now. Okay? Hey! He shot me! He's got a knife! Hey! Stop! Stop! Stop it! Stop! Stop right now! I got him at gunpoint! Stop right now! Stop! Nick! Stop! Stop right now! Put it down! Drop the knife! Throw it to the side! Put your hands behind your back! Put it behind your back right now! Put your hands behind your... Put your hands behind your back now! Turn over! Turn over!
God, I can't.
Julia 33. Am I bleeding?
Huh?
Am I bleeding?
Yeah, you okay?
I don't know.
What happened?
Reach around and stab me.
You let go. Let go. Come in medical. Come in medical.
Julia 33 got stabbed in the neck. Get EMS rolling this way.
Send to him. Here. I got a quick plot. Here.
Is it bad? It's not bleeding bad. Okay. All right. Hey, pressure. That's good. Stay with him. No, I got you. Stay with him.
Here.
I'm good.